Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to organize iPhone 16 Pro Max apps to easily find them. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, press and hold on app, and if you want to makes an app in folder, then simply drag on another app and it will be in folder like this. And you also rename this folder. You can rename your folder like this, and then click on done. It will be renamed. And if you want to delete this folder, then simply open folder and press and hold on app, and then simply it will be added to your home screen. All the apps added on your home screen and your folder automatically deleted. So this is the way to organize iPhone 16 Pro Max apps to easily find them. Thanks for watching this video.